And what about like as we see the SERPs are changing quite frequently now. How do you think like this will evolve? Like is AI changing SEO too much? Is the zero click SERPs are increasing? So what are your thoughts on it? That how will the typical content sites will have a future or not?
So content sites are where the challenge is. So you basically need to do the things that AI can't. So I don't really think informational content has much value anymore.
Okay.
But like I say, if you need to fix a roof, you need an e-com product, something like that, then AI can't do that for you, at least not currently. So it doesn't matter if there's an AI overview at the top. If someone needs that service, they're going to skip past it and find the actual brand they can book in with.
And like what about if we were talking about this, what are the three niches that you believe are almost AI proof for at least 2-3 years?
It's challenging, but yeah, I do like the more grey restricted niches because they're already struggling with paid ads.
Yeah.
So the classics like, yeah, you said cannabis. There's also a liability issue there in terms of a lot of these companies don't want to leave the AI to just go off on a tangent because it might make recommendations they're not authorized to do. So that's one reason actually why I build a lot of insurance websites in the UK for lead gen, because the UK financial authorities are really behind the times. It's going to be a long time before they give approval for anyone to have some kind of AI quoting. Yeah.
So like what else, like what more niches do you believe will have the least impact? Like something in not so grey or black, but maybe in white area?
In the white area, yeah, I'd say finance, because financial advertising is very restricted. It all needs to be signed off and approved. As you know, if you work with clients, obviously that content you write has got to go through a long approval process, different people signing off on it.
A lot of compliances and stuff goes around.
Yeah, so Google is not going to be comfortable to just hand over all of that to Gemini to create an AI overview that might not be compliant and might end up with serious litigation.
Yeah.